This is the second part of the brass engrave test. I stopped the run and push home. And another time discovered the CNC don't arrive to home position and have to correct this problem manually. To verify if our home is correctly, push another time home, and in this case is correctly. I verify at my um, computer window where is my software grower control. After the test we showed before, now I changed the file. This file now has to engrave in a little rectangle one line inside. For that reason, we made the routine to set up to fix it the 00 position for X, Y, and Z. I made more fast the video. The step to fix it, the Z value is we have to be careful. It's necessary to make accurately to do not broken the bit. Sometimes I use the magnifier glasses to verify the distance of the plate of the point of the bit. Another time we use the paper to verify the distance of the Z position to arrive at 0. Now we are ready to start our engrave file. In this test, the depth for every circle is 0.01 millimeters, but totally set depth will be arrived at 0.5 millimeters. And we calculated how many times going to run in every circle until arrive at this value. I made more fast this video. Do not mistake to tell you the RPM of the spindle is 600 RPM, but this CNC only arrived at a maximum 800 RPM, but did not use this value because the spindle increments the temperature and the risk is to broken. For that reason only use 600. Another thing to tell you is that it was difficult to find the bits. There is a lot of companies that made and advertise it, that it works very well, that it's very hard and strong your bits, but I spend a lot of money to find one interesting bit, but I don't understand why is the reason for that. Every time I make the test, broken the bit. Perhaps the speed of the spindle is too low. I don't have idea, but remain believe about it. After finishing the engraved rectangle, continue to engrave at the center of the rectangle the letters. The lettering is too close. For that reason, this test is not arrived at a good result. The tip of bit is 0.8 millimeters, but at the design I considered 0.5 millimeters. This is the one reason for that this test did not give good results. Thank you so much, my friends. I will hope to be useful for you. This is my test. See you the next video. Bye.